Cheers na!
Tayo kape.
Cheers! Back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. Today is Sunday and napaka-special na araw na ito para kay Mike and for me of course kasi it's our 4th anniversary. Happy anniversary, Daddy.
Yes.
Ayan. And andito ang aming baby girl. Ayan. And pasensya na kung medyo makalat yung kwarto namin ngayon kasi kakatapos lang namin magbihis. Ayan. Kasi may lalakarin kami. Actually, we have dinner tonight.
Yeah, 5 o'clock.
Yeah, 5 o'clock. You booked it?
Yeah.
Thank you, Daddy. Pero, ewan ko, Mike wants to go out now. So, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta for now, before dinner. But we're just gonna go out for... What are we doing, really, Bob?
That's a surprise, Bob.
Yeah, so what time is it now? It is currently 12:32 ng hapon, ayan. So, we're gonna go out now. Mamaya na kami maglilinis kasi anniversary, di ba? So, araw namin ito. Nak, say hi sa anak, babe. Good morning. Ay, good afternoon na di ay nak. Hapon naman di ay nak. Hindi amumong, mali mo mama. Nak. Anyways, the sun is out, guys, which is really good. Ito yung pa-outfit natin for today. Ayan. So, nakadress si ate nyo kasi anniversary. Pero kahit naman maginaw sa labas, itong dress na to is very thick. Tingnan nyo. Tapos long sleeve pa siya. Very thick to siya. Oh. Short lang siya. Pero hindi naman ako giginawin kasi may jacket naman akong dala. And so yan. And then that's my shoes. And that's Paris' outfit. Ayan, hindi yan siya nagpapahuli. Ayan. Super, ano lang si Paris ngayon. Oh, colorful. And then, nag-boots si Paris kasi yung brown na boots yung pinasuot ko sa kanya kasi brown yung belt niya ba, oh, di ba? Bagay-bagay din. Ayan. So ayan yung outfit natin and ito lang yung bag na gagamitin ko para very ano lang ba. Oh. Anak, asa anak, pakita sa si mama, nak. Anak, ikaw nalagi ang gwapa, nak. Ayan, hindi na talaga magbigay way ang ating anak. Mommy! Yes, honey? What's that? Tongue. Ayan, that's it, guys. We're going to leave now. I'll see you very soon. Come hurting. Ang ganda ng araw, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Very sunny. Kitang-kita nyo naman sa likod ang mga shadows. Pero maginaw pa rin siya. Ay, naku, hate ko talaga tong winter na to, guys. Oy. Anak, don't check there, nak. That's not ours, nak. Here, nak, oh. Check ours, babe. Basta na ay nasa laag nagkuan. Dalag na yun. Ayan na ang ating baby girl. Ayan yung outfit niya for today. Tingnan nyo, oh. Super cute lang. Kita na ko yung paan ako? Is there anything? Nana ko la. Anything? Init mo lang. Wala na. Sulod. Ayan. Ilalagay lang ni Mike yung prom sa sasakyan. Ang tingnan nyo pala ang ating mukha, guys. So, diba, yesterday, nagpa-treatment tayo. And it was really red yesterday. So, this morning, medyo kunting red pa rin siya. Pero, ayan, nilagyan ko lang ng light na makeup. The hurt na, tummies? You okay? Mama, kiss? Is it better now? Yes! Yes! Say thank you, mommy. So, ayun na nga. Nilagyan ko lang ng concealer para hindi siya masyadong klaro. Ayan, but it's okay. At least nakakaano pa rin. Kapag make up pa rin tayo ngayon kasi wala nga naman special day tapos hindi tayo makapagpaganda. Ayan, pasok na namin, guys, ha. I'll speak to you again very soon. Bye! Nandito na kami sa South Melbourne. again. Say
Say
hi,
hi.
honey.
Hi.
Hello, guys.
Hi guys.
Hello, guys.
Pinark ko lang yung sasakyan ko sa taas ng South Melbourne Market. Tapos ngayon, we're on our way to our favorite cafe here sa South Melbourne. Din yung pangalan. Shade Ray. Ayan, ang ganda ng wall art. Ayan. Kailangan mo pang pumasok. Si Paris ay hindi nagpapalagay. Anak! Big girl lamang ka na. Bibili lang kami ng aming hot drinks. What would you like, honey? Would you like baby China?
Come.
Yes, please? Ang kanyang daddy ay naguna-una na. Ayan, we're here now, guys. We just had our coffees. Say thank you, Daddy.
Kiss daddy?
Kiss Daddy tayo. Good girl. Ayan, tapos ngayon pupunta lang kami ng park. Kasi mamayang hapon pa yung 5 pala yung dinner namin. Sobrang aga ng dinner. Punta lang kami ng park tapos maglakad-lakad dito. Ang daming tao. See you soon, guys. What is that, honey? Oh no, she found something. What's that? Yes. You want one? Ang ganda ng lighting dito, oh. Super, nakakahamis ng mukha. Kahit ang daming buti-buti ay humahamis. Dyan kami pupunta, tingnan nyo. Ayan, may mga park dyan. Tapos, si Paris ay, ayan, oh, diba? Excited na yan siya. Tingnan nyo si Paris, oh. Hindi talaga yan siya nahihiya. Tingnan nyo. May nagtakbo-takbo ng mga kids, ng mga boys. Yan siya din, sabay-sabay din siya, oh. Uninvited. Oh, Paris. Tingnan nyo. Oh, Lord. Yan siya, oh, feeling close. Tingnan nyo. Come on! Good running! Kiss, mommy? Oh, hurting the knee. Come on, fix the knee. Come back! Wow! Dito kami nakatira before. Ayan. Tapos dito, kinaver nila, oh. Diyan sa bahay na yan kami nakatiraan. Dito, minsan, pag si Mike umuwi from work, dyan, si Paris naghihintay. Diyan, kinulos nila para hindi makita. That's good. And alam nyo, yung South Melbourne Market, ayan oh, makikita na. So isang kanto lang, that's it. Kaya very close talaga siya. And then the city is just there. Tapos alam niyo naman na si Mike ay nagtatrabaho sa city. Kaya very convenient dito talaga. Hi. We miss this place. Hi again guys. Ayan, nandito na kami sa, sobrang hayag. It's nearly 5 o'clock ng hapon and we're gonna go to the restaurant now. Anak! Hinubaran namin si Paris ng yung jacket niya ba? Kasi kanina naglaro-laro kami sa sa park siya. Nag-rolling in the deep siya. Kaya sobrang hugaw ng kanyang jacket. And okay lang kung nawala siyang jacket dito ngayon kasi dito lang naman kami sa loob ng restaurant. Uy, bakit ang dilim? Dito lang kami sa loob ng restaurant. So, may heater sila, hindi masyadong maginaw. May cafe na si Paris, oh. Can I please have hot chocolate, honey?
Thank you.
Like this one.
Go, ride this one.
Ride this one. Ayan, kakatapos lang namin ng dinner namin and oh my god, I'm so full. Are you full, Daddy?
No.
Very much so.
Very much so.
Are you full?
Ayan, close na yung market kasi yung market 4 o'clock nag-close. Kaya ngayon, hindi kami makapasok sa loob. We have to walk around the market para makapunta kami sa aming sasakyan. But that was a really good dinner, Daddy. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Say thank you, Daddy, na.
Thank you, Paris.
Say thank you, Daddy.
That's your daddy.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Paris.
Did you like your meal?
Like meow.
Say thank you,
Yeah,
Paris.
sarap-sarap guys. The reason why yun yung pinili ni Mike na restaurant dahil nga, di ba na-mention ko before, na dito kami nakatira. What year did we live here, Daddy?
Bye.
2017,
18, yeah?
18.
Oh yeah, 17, 18. That's my favorite restaurant talaga kasi sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap ng mga pagkain nila. Time check tayo. It is currently 11:08 ng gabi. Ayan. And as you can see, nakarobe na sa atin nyo kasi after this, I'm going to get myself ready for bed kasi tomorrow ay Lunes na naman, so mag-work na naman tayo. By the way, hindi ako nakapag-vlog pagka-uwi namin kanina kasi niready ko si Paris for bed. So, ayun, nakatulog na siya. And also, Mike is now sleeping too. Kasi we had a long day and ayun, isblock na silang dalawa. Thank you nga pala sa mga nag-greet sa amin ng happy anniversary. Pinakita ko po kay Mike yung mga comments nyo. And even though hindi niya maintindihan yung ibang mga words, happy anniversary lang yung nabasa niya. Pinaintindi ko naman sa kanya ang thoughts ng mga messages nyo. Kaya maraming salamat po. We had a wonderful day today. I'm very, very happy. We had a beautiful dinner and also we spent quality time together. Although merong mga moments na Mike and I were being a bit emotional kasi ewan ko, naging emotional lang kaming dalawa. Lalo na nung nandun kami sa mesa for dinner. Parang sinabi lang namin sa isa't isa na salamat and sabi ko sa kanya thank you and also sorry kasi alam kong minsan na I am hard to deal with. And sabi niya, no, not at all. So that was very kind and sweet of him para sabihin na I'm not hard. Kasi minsan, di ba, tayong mga babae, meron din tayong mga topak minsan. I am so happy na naiintindihan niya yun. And again, nangyari na naman yun before siya natulog. So, tinanong niya ako kung did I have a good day? And kung masaya ba ako today? And then sabi ko naman, of course, I'm very happy. And then I asked him the question back. Sabi ko, how about you? Are you happy today? Tapos sabi niya, of course. Tapos yung sagot niya, sabi niya, I was with the 2 girls that I love in the place that I love. Sabi niya, kaya very, very happy daw siya. Kasi, love na love niya talaga yung South Melbourne, guys. Like, you got no idea how much he loves South Melbourne. Kung marami nga lang kaming pera, dun kami bibili pag time na nabibili na kami ng bahay. Kasi, gustong-gusto niya talaga yung area. And if you know Mike, he's really into the area. Gustong-gusto niya talaga yun. So, kahit yung bahay ay hindi bonggang-bongga talaga, as long as the area is good, dun, pasok yun kay Mike. Sa mga nag-comment po pala na happy wedding anniversary, I just wanna make it clear po. So, yung 4th anniversary po namin is, 2 years na naging girlfriend and boyfriend kami, and then 2 years na engaged. So, sa madaling salita po, hindi pa po kami kasal ni Mike. So, 28th of June 2016, noon ko po sinagot si Mike. After niya akong niligawan for so many weeks, sinabi kong, yes, I can be your girlfriend. Yun din yung araw ng first kiss namin. Kasi nga, diba, na-mention ko na sa ibang mga vlogs namin na tsaka ko na pinahalik si Mike nung sinagot ko na siya. Then, 2 years later, nag-propose po si Mike sa akin kung pwede ba niya akong maging asawa. Ginawa niya po yun the same date. Kaya po, yung anniversary namin, boyfriend-girlfriend, and also anniversary ng engagement namin is the same day. So, 28th of June. So, maybe pag kinasal na kami, siguro pipiliin din namin yung 28th of June para isang date lang yung anniversary. You might be wondering now why hindi pa kami kasal ni Mike. I am going to tackle that topic next video natin. So, stay tuned for that one. Regarding the gifts, both Mike and I we're very sweet, actually. We are emotional, but at the same time, we are very practical. Like, kahapon, binilhan ako ni Mike ng flowers for today, which is very, very sweet of him. And yung ginawa ko rin, binilhan ko si Mike ng parang massage pamper voucher. So, it's a whole body massage for 90 minutes, which I know he's going to enjoy kasi gustong-gusto niya talaga yung mga massage na ganyan. Sinasabi ko rin practical kami in a sense na every time na Mike and I buy a gift for each other, tinatanong namin ang isa't isa kung anong gusto namin para mabili namin yung talagang gustong-gusto namin. Kasi minsan, di ba, may mga kagustuhan tayo, may kagustuhan si Mike, may kagustuhan ako, pero hindi ko pa nabibili kasi nagsisave pa ako or si Mike nagsisave pa rin. So, minsan, pag may mga okasyon na ganito, tinatanong namin ang isa't isa. Kasi sasabihin ko, ako na lang ang bibili niyan para sa'yo or vice versa. Yes, I know, surprises are very, very interesting and exciting. Pero at the same time, kasi sa amin ni Mike, gusto lang namin na yung matatanggap namin is yung kakailanganin talaga namin and yung mai-enjoy talaga namin. Nandun pa rin naman yung surprises, diba? Kasi yun nga, binilhan ako ni Mike ng flower and also binilhan ko si Mike ng voucher. Surprise ko yun sa kanya. But on top of that, we also buy each other yung mga bagay na talagang gusto namin. But this time, yun nga sabi ko kahapon sa vlog ko, gustong-gusto ni Mike na bumili ng adjustable bench press para sa kanyang home gym. Ngayon, wala namang available. And sabi nila, next stock is not arriving until I think September, around September. He doesn't really want to wait. Kaya sabi niya, okay, I'll just go online and have a look and maybe I'll find something na magustuhan daw niya. And the same case din yung sa akin. Kasi yung gusto kong bilhin, hindi din siya available sa store. So, we need to buy it online. So, yun yung ginagawa namin ngayon, guys. So, he'll buy mine online and also, I'll buy his online. So, pagkarating nun, yun na yung regalo namin para sa isa't isa. However you wanna do your gifts, it is entirely up to you. At the end of the day, the most important thing is nagkakaintindihan kayo at mahal nyo ang isa't isa. That's what makes a happy relationship. I-end natin yung vlog dito, guys, ha? Kasi It's getting late na. Kailangan na matulog ni ate nyo. Work pa bukas. Before natin i-close yung vlog natin for today, I just wanna say again and again, hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa inyo sa lahat ng suporta at pagmamahal na pinapakita nyo sa amin. Maraming salamat talaga. Mike and I and Paris are very grateful sa lahat ng mga blessings na natatanggap namin ngayon. Kaya sana po patuloy nyo po kaming suportaan. I'll just do a quick shout out, guys, and we're going to start with Chunaville Orban, Jane Mary Pindihito, Jondra de los Sinas, Jing C, Rosario Saballe, hello po, Aida Harin, Lina de los Santos, Shufa Jean Vlog, Carla Mi Arias, Ryan Tulbas, Alma Baha, Cindy Tan, Milba Musni, Life by Menens, Eleanor Tanutan, shout out to Joris M, Janet Gordon, hello Day, Mary Ann Lozada, Ronaldine Herrera, Megan Earl Gabuli, Melody Arisave, Rosemary Ramoir, Regina Sabihon, shout out to Lina Bercasio, Viuli S, shout out to Elma Kunsal, Lizelle Iga, Red Sibial, hello Day, Odessa Donghil, Maribel Patiag, Marisol Dayaw, shout out to Jocelyn Vilos, Rizalyn May Bating, Mercy Clary, Milit Dialogue, Rosana Hidalgo, Vicky Spirito, Elsa Navales, Grace Bagundol, Marivic Barangan de la Cruz, Carmen Martinez, Susan Canizares, and also special mention sa ating mga friends, Lawless family, Jezz Ziel, and Aimie and Anthony. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!